my name is Marcelamejiaq and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I have a super exciting video for you all, and it is going to be an iPhone 13 Pro Max unboxing. I purchased the iPhone 13 Pro Max 256 gig in the gold color. I placed the order through my carrier, so I have T-Mobile, so I purchased the phone through them on Friday, which was launch day, and I got it today, so Tuesday, and the shipping was actually way faster than I expected. When she placed the order, the phone appeared as it was in back order, but it actually took way less time than I expected for me to get the phone. It literally shipped this morning from Kentucky, and here it is. So before we get into the phone, I am just going to show you guys some accessories that I bought for the phone. So I purchased a case and screen protector set on Amazon. This was like $8. It has the little frame so that you can put on the screen protector properly. It comes with a clear case, nothing special, literally just a clear case. Then we have the two screen protectors, and then it comes with two little packages with wipes and dust stickers so you can remove all the dust and clean the screen before applying the screen protector. I did purchase a wildflower case because that's what I usually have on my phones. I've had them ever since I had the iPhone 7 Plus, and I have a ton of iPhone 11 Pro Max cases, wildflower cases like this one. This is the Latte Love case, and I actually got this exact case but the pink version, so it's called the Rose Latte case, and that should be coming in next week, so I'm super excited for that. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So here we have it, the iPhone 13 Pro Max in all of its glory. I can definitely tell that the gold is more of a yellow gold than it was before. My 11 Pro Max, I did have it in the gold color, and I think this is more of a rose gold shade. I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison so you guys can see, but I feel like this is more on the rosy, like pinky tint side than the 13 Pro Max. The 13 Pro Max definitely looks more silver or more like iridescent than the 11 Pro Max does, and just look at the camera difference. Those lenses on the 13 Pro Max are huge, and the camera little like square thing in general is just way bigger. The 13 Pro Max in this lighting looks sort of gray. The 11 Pro Max is definitely more gold. I'm not mad about it, I kind of like it, but the cameras are huge. I did not expect them to be this big. Okay, so here we have it. Again, you can see it has the shiny gold edges, and then the little paper with the information. They did remove the plastic packaging. I believe this was since the 12th, the iPhone 12. So now they just have this little piece of paper. But yeah, she looks gorgeous. So now, because I don't trust myself in applying the screen protectors, I'm gonna take this to my brother so he can apply it, so it can, you know, be done properly. And then I'll be back to set up the phone with you guys. My brother applied the screen protector for me because I definitely trust him more in this process than I do myself. And I put the case on. Again, this is from Amazon, and the whole little like set kit thing was $8. I don't know how I feel about the color of the phone because it definitely looks more like silver or gray than it does gold. I like it better than silver. I've never liked silver iPhones. I just feel like they look a little bit cheap. I love the Sierra Blue and the Graphite, but the thing with those colors is that they're too strong and I get bored of them pretty easily, especially because of the type of cases that I like wearing, that I like using. So I like very like colorful, busy cases. So I don't think that getting like Sierra Blue was gonna be the move for me. First, because it was gonna take forever to get the phone since everybody wants that color because it's new. Second, it's just, I would get bored so fast. But this is the 13 Pro Max in all of its glory. And honestly, this is part of the unboxing. I'm pretty sure if you're watching this, you probably know what comes inside of the phone already. The iPhone 13s as well as the iPhone 12s did not come with charging brick, so we only have the USB-C lightning cable, and then we have a little packet of like papers and instructions that Apple gives with Apple sticker. So now let's turn this phone on. Ooh, I love the new hello screen. I like it way better than the white one with the black letters. It just looks so pretty, like so aesthetic. Let's swipe up, and then we're gonna do English, United States, set up new iPhone. So we're gonna click continue on the old one, scan, there we go. Now it's setting up. I know this is gonna take a while because I have over 14,000 pictures on my old phone, so I hope it doesn't take that long. But now I'm gonna set up the Face ID. Okay, Face ID is now set up. We love that. And then now we're gonna transfer the data from my old phone to my new phone. Let's see how long it says it's gonna take. I'm pretty sure it's gonna take a really long time. So, oh shoot, I almost dropped the new phone. I'm pretty sure it's gonna take a long time, so let's hope it's not that much. So I officially tested out the camera. I was shooting some content that I needed for some brand collaborations. So I'm gonna put those pictures on the screen so you guys can see what they look like. And I also will be including the cinematic clip that I took, something very short, but you can definitely see how it works and what it looks like. So enjoy that. I wanted to thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and turn on the notification bell so YouTube tells you every time I upload a new video. If you want to see a what's on my iPhone, definitely let me know down below. I would love to make one of those videos for you. I love what's on my iPhones. I love making them. I love watching them. So I would love to show you guys what I have on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. And hopefully I will have my wildflower case by the time I make that video, so I can show you guys that too, because I can't wait to get it. It's so cute. So yeah, definitely subscribe if you want to see more of my content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.